Welcome to Rolfing Library. In this tutorial, you will learn to understand and use search results in PsycINFO. If you haven't already viewed our quick tour of PsycINFO video, I suggest you begin there and return here after learning the basics. We have used the thesaurus to search marriage counseling and conflict. Now let's take a closer look at the results list. Each item on the list begins with a title. Here is the author or authors of the work, followed by the source of the item. The exact volume and page number will be important if you are looking for a physical copy of the document in Rolfing's collection. Here you can see a record description. This item is a journal article, and this one is a book chapter. If an item on the list looks promising, you can get a little more information by hovering over the magnifying glass. Scroll down to read the abstract. This article looks like one we might use, but we want even more information before deciding. We can get a full description from here, or we can go back and click on the title. We are now looking at the full record for this article. Several elements of the record provide links that could be helpful. For example, here we see that this article has been referenced in other articles in this database. We could click here to see other articles written by these authors. Or we could click the journal title to see other articles indexed by PsycINFO. We can also see the tags that PsycINFO indexers have applied to this article. These links could lead you to other helpful resources. You can take any number of actions at this point. You can put this search result into your folder. Once you have done this, papers will appear in the folder at the top of the screen. If you want to save everything in your folder, you will need to set up a MyEBSCO account. Click on Sign In and follow the instructions for creating an account. You could export this citation to your bibliographic management software, such as Zotero. You can get a citation in whichever style your instructor prefers. Here's an item with an interesting feature. You can listen to this article. You can even choose which accent you want. Hearing the article may be useful, but you probably want a print version too. Many results in PsycINFO will have full text available. After opening this document, you can save it or print it. If the item doesn't offer full text online, you can see if Rolfing owns the text. Click on Find It. Rolfing owns this one. You can click for details. Some items will not be available in Rolfing. When we click on Find It for this item, we are given the option to search for it in an iShare library. If we repeat this search in iShare, we discover that this item is held by the University of Illinois at Chicago. We can request it. Sometimes the item will not be available at Rolfing or at an iShare library. In these cases, you can request it through interlibrary loan. When you click here, you will be asked to log in, but then your ILLiad request form will automatically populate with bibliographic information from your search results. If you are pursuing an ongoing project, you will want to know when new items relating to your topic are added to PsycINFO. You can arrange this by creating alerts. Click on Share to get a range of options. You can set up email alerts or RSS feeds. Thank you for viewing this video about PsycINFO. If you have questions about this powerful research tool, the librarians at Rolfing Memorial Library are happy to offer further assistance.